I want to show you the reward system that we've been loving for our daughter. It's this reward jar that we've been using for about a month now. It comes with this cute acrylic jar, a magnetic back, a wall mount if you want it mounted in their room or something, or this cute little stand to keep it right on a table or another surface. Then there are 41 stars in all different colors, a storage pouch to keep them in, and even these letter stickers to personalize the jar. We keep hers right on the fridge, and every time she completes a task, she puts a star in her jar. Since she's 6 years old, we have different tasks assigned to different colors. So her morning routine tasks are yellow, making her bed, feeding the dog breakfast. Then her nighttime routine tasks are blue, laying out her outfit for the next day, brushing her teeth, and any chores she completes throughout the day earn white, pink, or turquoise stars. Then special achievements like high test scores earn silver and gold stars. If she was younger, I'd stick with tasks being worth any color star, just to keep things simple. Once she fills up her jar, she wins a prize. This is either a toy she's been really wanting or an experience we can do together. Now, we've tried other reward systems in the past, but I've found that this is by far the most motivating for her. It's also the easiest to stick with. I love how customizable this is, depending on how old the child is too. My daughter is already loving this. So if you're a parent or a teacher looking for a way to motivate your kids, I definitely recommend this reward jar.